Do you want to get started in the world of digital drawing, deepen your knowledge, or switch from another drawing program to Procreate? I can help you. My name is Sandra, and as the coaching artist, I do not only have over 10 years of experience in both 2D and 3D digital art, but I also help other creatives, just like you, to reach their full creative potential. In this course, I will teach you how to use the drawing software Procreate on the iPad. And not just anyhow, but by showing you applicable drawing projects, I will guide you step by step through all the essential functions of the program. This way, you can apply your knowledge directly. And after the course, you will already have at least 3 to 5 beautiful artworks in your gallery. And you don't even have to know how to draw for that yet. However, you can continue to improve in later sections and implement different projects and styles. So there is a lesson or exercise for every drawing level. In addition, I give you a lot of useful extra knowledge, materials, and secret tricks that even many professionals do not know. But enough with the introduction. Sign up for this course now and get inspired.